Here's where the electrical goes in, right here in the middle. Got a hanger for a vent right here, heading over toward the living room. Another one right there, going to that bedroom. Got the big old air return right there. Okay, distribution box is over here on this side. So that's how this works. This is a distribution box going to the bedroom vents. Hanging up under here, in case you don't put it back right. Okay, that's how that works. One side it blows out, the other side pulls in. Looks like the air return is over there on that side. So that means it's going to blow out on the left side and pull back in on the right. Okay. I don't see no water connection, but we'll leave that up to him.